Welcome to the 2025 Phoenix Cruiser 3100, a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and comfort. Whether you're an experienced traveler or new to the RV lifestyle, this Class B Plus motorhome offers everything you need for the ultimate road trip experience. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the high-quality craftsmanship. The interior features premium materials, elegant cabinetry, and modern appliances designed for convenience and durability. The spacious layout provides ample room for relaxation, whether you're lounging in the living area or preparing a meal in the fully equipped kitchen. The kitchen boasts solid surface countertops, a stainless steel sink, a high-efficiency refrigerator, a 3-burner cooktop, and a convection microwave oven. Storage is plentiful with overhead cabinets and pull-out drawers, making organization easy on the road. Moving into the sleeping area, the Phoenix Cruiser 3100 offers a comfortable queen-size bed with a premium mattress. Soft LED lighting, dual nightstands, and overhead storage create a cozy and functional space for restful nights. The bathroom is designed with convenience in mind, featuring a spacious shower, a porcelain toilet, and a stylish vanity with ample storage. The well-ventilated design ensures comfort, whether you're on a weekend getaway or a long-haul adventure. On the road, the Phoenix Cruiser 3100 delivers an exceptional driving experience. Built on a Ford E450 chassis, it offers a powerful engine, smooth handling, and enhanced fuel efficiency. The advanced suspension system and upgraded safety features ensure a stress-free drive, whether navigating city streets or exploring off-the-beaten-path destinations. This model comes equipped with the latest technology, including a touchscreen infotainment system with GPS navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and a premium sound system. Additional driver assist features like lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and a rear-view camera provide added confidence behind the wheel. Outdoor enthusiasts will appreciate the exterior features, including a power awning with LED lighting, ample storage compartments, and an outdoor entertainment system. Whether you're tailgating, camping, or simply enjoying a sunset, the Phoenix Cruiser 3100 enhances every moment with its thoughtful design. Built for adventure yet refined for comfort, the 2025 Phoenix Cruiser 3100 redefines travel with its exceptional craftsmanship, innovative features, and unbeatable performance. Experience the freedom of the open road in a motorhome designed to take you wherever your heart desires.